This video will explain the process of setting up your new pedometer. When you open the cover, you'll see the 5 buttons that are used for various purposes for the pedometer. The one we'll be working with first of all is the mode key, the red key on the very far right. This key is used to change the different modes of the pedometer. You can press it up and down and you'll see the screens change from one to the other. It also has a secondary function that if you do hold the key down for more than 3 seconds, it'll change the pedometer to a yardage mode. You'll notice that when you see a Y in the top screen, just like that. You'll want to hold the key down for another 3 seconds to change it back to the regular mileage mode. So the mode key, just push it up and down to change the various screens of the pedometer. The first thing we're going to do is work by setting the clock, and that screen contains the clock on the bottom screen with an A or a P in front for AM or PM. So once you get that displayed, you press the set key and then press the set up and down to move the minutes. You can see the minutes changing. And when you get the minutes set, then move your thumb over to the reset key and that'll change the hours. We'll go through that again just to make sure everybody understands, but it's the set key and the reset key that are used to set the time. So when the time is displayed, you find the screen with the time, you press the set key, and then press it up, down, until you get the right number of minutes, and then the reset key changes the hours. When you're finished, just let it sit there for 3 or 4 seconds, and when that screen pops up on top, that means the clock is now set. Next, we're going to set your stride length, which helps the pedometer calculate the mileage that you walk. It has no effect on the step count, just the mileage calculation. You want to measure your heel-to-heel stride length before you start this step. Place the pedometer in the mode where you have mile on top and speed on the bottom, using the mode key to change screens. That's the word mile on the top screen and speed on the bottom. Now press the set key, which will display the setting that's already set in the pedometer, which is 2.1 feet. You can see it right there. When the F feet number is displayed, you can go up with the set key, down with the reset key to get your setting from heel to heel stride length in feet and inches. Next, you'll enter your weight, which will allow the pedometer to estimate the number of calories that you burn as you walk. First, using the mode key, you want to go to the screen that has the word mile on the top screen and the word kcal on the bottom screen. The word mile here and the word kcal on the bottom, which is your calories. Then press the set key and it'll display the number that's already programmed in the pedometer. In this case it's 181. Use the set key to move the setting up, or the reset key to move the setting down. You can push it up and down, or you can hold it down to make it move faster. And the set key moves it up. Holding it down, you can see it, and the reset key moves it down. When you get your proper weight in the pedometer, let it sit there, and when the top screen appears like that, the weight is now set. Next, we're going to go through the features of the pedometer and show you what each number on each screen means. As we indicated before, using the mode key, you can go from screen to screen. Just push the mode key up and down, and you'll see the screens change. The first screen we're going to look at is the step screen, which on the top shows you your number of daily steps. And the bottom screen shows a speed, your average speed in steps per minute. Just as a note, 100 steps a minute or more is considered moderate walking. The next screen is the mileage screen, showing the number of miles you've walked and the speed in miles per hour. It calculates the average speed of your walk and shows you in miles per hour. Next is also a mileage screen, and then it shows you your number of calories that you've burned during your walk. The next screen also shows the mileage, the same number, and your clock or time of day. And then finally, the mileage screen, and then a timer, activity timer, which shows you how many hours, minutes, and seconds you've spent exercising today. And then we're back to the step screen, your daily steps.